Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this episode, part 2 of examples in properties of triangles before exercise 10a, we are going to discuss now. Let us have a discussion. The first question, show that a square cot a plus b square cot b plus c square cot c equal to abc by capital R. So consider LHS. In LHS, we have a square cot a plus b square cot b plus c square cot c. This also can be written as, we can write like this now, sigma a square cot a. If you remove sigma, it will be a cyclic process. A square cot a plus b square cot b plus c square cot c. Now from sine rule, we have sine rule. From sine rule, a equal to 2r sine a, substitute that value in that a. So it will becomes sigma a square means, directly I am writing 2r sine a whole square. So 4r square sine square a. Cot a can be written as cos a by sin a. So now, one of the sin a value will be cancelled. After that, sigma 4r square into sin a into cos a. In the next step, we know the relation between sin a cos a in terms of sin 2a. So now 2 is required here to get the formula of sin 2a. So now what I am doing is 4r square can be written as 2 into 2r square. So 2 into sin a cos a, it will become sin 2a. So now sigma 2r square into 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a is formula for sin 2a, no? Since 2 sin a cos a equal to sin 2a, formula it is now. Now, sigma 2r square into sin 2a. Now, if you remove that sigma, we will get 2r square sin 2a. Sin 2a plus 2r square sin 2b plus 2r square sin 2c. 2r square take common throughout the terms. The remaining sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. From transformations, we know the value of sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c equal to 4 sin a sin b sin c. But we cannot write directly. Why? Because sometimes this question they are asking for 7 marks. We have to do that transformations for this. So now 2r square into, for first two terms I am applying sin c plus sin d formula. So 2 sin c plus d by 2, that means 2a plus 2b divided by 2 into cos 2a minus 2b divided by 2 plus sin 2c, 2 sin c cos c. So 2 take common and cancel in both the terms. We will get it is 2r square into 2 sin of a plus b into cos of a minus b plus 2 sin c into cos c. In triangle ABC, we have, in triangle ABC, a plus b plus c equal to 180. That implies that a plus b is equal to 180 minus c. So sine of a plus b equal to sine of 180 minus c, which is equal to sine c. Sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta. So now 2r square into 2 sine c. In place of sine of a plus b, you have to write sine c into cos a minus b plus 2 sine c into cos c. Now take common 2 sine c from both the terms. 2r square into 2 sine c also I am taking common. So the rest of the terms, cos of a minus b plus cos c. Again, a plus b plus c is equal to 180 now here. From that what I am writing is a plus b equal to, we got it as 180 minus c. Taking cos on both sides, cos of a plus b equal to cos of 180 minus c. So cos of a plus b equal to cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta. So minus cos c. But here cos c is there, no? So minus cos of a plus b equal to cos c. Now in place of cos c, what we have to replace? Minus cos of a plus b. So 2r square into 2 sine c cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Again, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is formula for 2 sin a sin b. So which is equal to 4r square, 2 into 2 4r square into sin c. From transformation formula, this will become 2 sin a sin b. So which is equal to, this also we have to prove that ABC by a capital R now. So what I am doing is, here 4r square is 2r into 2r sin c into 2 sin a into sin b. So here 2r sin c one term, 2r sin b is another term. So one other r we are multiplying and dividing by r, 2r sin a. 2r sin c is small c from sin rule, 2r sin b is small b. Here multiplying and dividing by capital R, 2r sin a by 2r sin a is small a by r. So which is equal to a into b into c. Sorry, I think you forgot now. 2r into sin c is small c, 2r into sin b is small b. Here multiplying and dividing by r, 2r sin a is small a divided by capital R. Therefore, ABC by capital R, LHS, which is required, RHS. Sorry. Hence, proved. The next question. Show that b minus c whole square into cos square a by 2 plus b plus c whole square into sin square a by 2, which is equal to a square. Consider LHS. Now b minus c whole square into cos square a by 2 plus b plus c whole square into sin square a by 2. Now expanding of b minus c whole square and b plus c whole square, b square plus c square minus 2bc into cos square a by 2 plus b square plus c square plus 2bc into sin square a by 2. After this step, we observe that b square plus c square, here it will be there in the first term as well as in the second term we have. So what I am doing is I am taking common b square plus c square from first term as well as second term. So now b square plus c square into, here b square plus c square coefficient is cos square a by 2 only, no? Cos square a by 2. After that, here b square plus c square coefficient is plus sin square a by 2. Plus sin square a by 2. Bracket close. B square plus c square term completed. Next, what term is there? Here minus 2bc cos square a by 2. Here plus 2bc cos sin square a by 2. If you take out common minus 2bc from this term as well as this term, from these two terms, arrow mark I am giving here, easy to understand. So now, minus 2bc if you take out common, you will get cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. Why? Because minus if you take out common here, plus minus will come now. We know that sin square a by 2 plus cos square a by 2 value is 1. So b square plus c square into this value is 1 from identity. Minus 2bc into cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. It is the formula for cos a, which is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. From cosine rule, b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a is the formula for a square, since from cosine rule. So they are asking to prove a square, no? We got it here. B square plus c square minus 2bc cos a equal to a square. The next question. In triangle ABC, if 1 by a plus c plus 1 by b plus c equal to 3 by a plus b plus c, show that angle C equal to 60 degrees. Just you have to consider the given condition and simplify, you will get answer. It is very easy question, very important for 4 marks. You remember that, dear students. Let given condition 1 by a plus c plus 1 by b plus c equal to 3 by a plus b plus c. See, after that, take LCM. Here LCM is a plus c into b plus c. So here b plus c, you know that b plus c into 1 plus a plus c into 1, which is equal to 3 by a plus b plus c. After that, cross multiply. Here a plus b plus c plus c, that means this value a plus b plus 2c into here a plus b plus c. After that, which is equal to 3 into a plus c into b plus c. That implies, now actual multiplication. Here a plus b into a plus b. First like this you can do that, ma. See here, very logical way. A plus b here, here a plus b. A plus b into a plus b is a plus b whole square only, no? After that, a plus b into c. So this term completely multiply with a plus b. Next, these two you have to multiply. Plus 2c into a plus b plus 2c square. 2c into c, which is equal to 3 into actual multiplication. A into b plus a into c plus c into b or bc plus c into c square. After reaching of this step, that implies here a plus b plus c whole square means it will becomes a square plus b square plus 2ab plus ac plus bc plus 2ca plus 2bc plus 2c square equal to 3ab plus 3ac plus 3bc plus 3c square. Just simplification, that's all. Here a square plus b square. Is there any ab term here? No. So 2ab. Is there any bc term here? 2bc plus bc, 3bc. 2ca plus ac, 3ca or 3ac. After that plus c, 2c square, which is equal to 3ab plus 3ac plus 3bc plus 3c square. Now on both sides 3bc get cancelled. 3ac get cancelled. Now here 3ab and 3c square first we can take this side and 2ab we can take this side. That implies, is there any confusion? These values completely can take this side better. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2c square, all the values I am taking this side better value, minus 3ab minus 3c square equal to 0. That is good now. Now a square plus b square, 2ab minus 3ab minus ab minus c square is equal to 0. 2c square minus 3c square. Now what we are doing is sorry, a square plus b square equal to, these minus values I am taking this side, c square plus ab. From cosine rule, we have c square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. So now in place of c square, this value you have to replace. A square plus b square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c plus ab. On both sides a square plus b square will be cancelled. Minus 2ab cos c I am taking this side. That implies that 2ab cos c is equal to ab. That implies on both sides ab get cancelled. 2 cos c is equal to 1. Cos c equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 in terms of cos 60 degrees. Now by comparing, c is equal to 60 degrees. Hence the result. The next question. In triangle ABC, show that a plus b plus c into tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2 equal to 2c cot c by 2. Now consider LHS. What is LHS here? A plus b plus c into tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2, which is equal to a plus b plus c means we know that it is 2s, and tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2, in terms of delta we have formulas. Tan a by 2 equal to delta by s into s minus a plus tan b by 2 in terms of delta and s into s minus b. After that, delta by s you have to take common. 2s into, from these two, delta by s is common, no? So delta by s I am taking common. Therefore it will becomes 1 by s minus a plus 1 by s minus b. So here s get cancelled, which is equal to 2 into delta. Keep bracket and take LCM. S minus a into s minus b is the LCM. So s minus b into 1 plus s minus a into 1. So 2 into delta S plus S is 2S. Here S plus S is 2S. Minus B minus A divided by S minus A into S minus B. We know that 2S means again what? A plus B plus C only, no? We can substitute here. 2 delta into A plus B plus C minus B minus A divided by S minus A into S minus B. So plus A minus A get cancelled, plus B minus B get cancelled. After that, we have formulas delta by, here 2 constant we can take outside. Here C is there, no? C we can take outside of this bracket and delta we can take inside the bracket. Delta by S minus A into S minus B. This bracket value is formula for cot C by 2. Cot C by 2 means delta by S minus A into S minus C, S minus B. Therefore, which is equal to 2C into cot C by 2, which is the required RHS only, no? So now hence proved that RHS. 2C into cot C by 2. You remember that, dear students, in properties of triangles, in every step we required formulae. So that is the reason my suggestion is go to my playlist in Maths with Panindra channel. Go to playlist and get all the first 2 to 3 videos. Observe carefully and get that our formula proofs also I have given. We'll move to the next question. The next question. Show that all the questions are in properties of triangles which are related to the triangle. You remember that, dear students, all of you. Show that b square sine 2c plus c square sine 2b equal to 2bc sine a. Now consider LHS. This type of question all are considering LHS. B square sine 2c plus c square sine 2b equal to, from sine rule, b equal to 2b sine b and c equal to 2c sine c, 2r sine c. So now by using sine rule we have small b equal to 2r sine b, small c equal to 2r sine c from sine rule. So now substitute these values in this. 2r sine b whole square, directly I am writing here, 4r square sine square b into sine 2c. Sine 2c means, first you write sine 2c, after that we will write it, plus c square, that means 2r sine c whole square, 4r square sine square c into sine 2b. In the next step, we know that formula sine 2a means 2 sine a cos a. Similarly, sine 2b and sine 2c formulas we have to expand. So 4r square into sine square b into sine 2c means 2 sine c cos c plus 4r square into sine square c sine 2b, 2 sine b cos b. Now, what are the common terms in both the terms? So observe that here sine b, here sine b, here sine c, here sine c. Here 2 into 4r square, 2 into 4r square. That means 8r square, no? So 8r square sine b into sine c. Take common. So the rest of the terms, here one of the sine b is going to get we can outside means we will get it as sin B. After that remaining is cos C plus 8r square sin B is over and sin C is over. Remaining is sin C and cos B. So now cos B into sin C. This bracket value is in the form of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A plus B, no? But here instead of A and B and C is there. So this bracket value is the formula for sin of B plus C. Now 8r square sin B into sin C. This bracket value is sin of B plus C. After that, since A plus B plus C is equal to 180, 180 means pi, B plus C is equal to pi minus A, taking sin on both sides, sin of B plus C equal to sin of pi minus A. So sin of B plus C equal to sin of 180 minus theta is sin theta. So sin of pi minus A equal to sin A. So in place of sin of B plus C, you have to write sin A. Therefore, it will becomes 8r square sin B into sin C into sin A. After getting of this step, according to the RHS, you have to write it. So 2 into BC. First 8r square is there, no? In RHS first 2 is there. 2 you can write it. The remaining 4r square is there into sin B into sin C into sin A. In the very next step, 2 into 4r square means 2r into 2r. We can write now 2r into 2r. Sin B into sin C into sin A. Now 2r sin B, 2r sin C. From sin rule, these values are equal to B and C only, no? Therefore, 2 into 2r sin B is small b, 2r sin C is small c into sin A, which is the required RHS. They are asking to prove 2BC sin A. Hence the result. Hence proved. The next question, dear students. Prove that cot A plus cot B plus cot C equal to A square plus B square plus C square by 4 delta, which is very, very important in public examination. In intermediate, number of times they asked. So, concentrately, you can listen. Consider LHS. What is LHS here? Cot A plus cot B plus cot C, which is equal to, we can write as like this now, sigma cot A. Simply cot A we can write it as the ratio of cos and sin. So now sigma cos A divided by sin A. After writing of these values, you have to write the cosine rule. By using cosine rule, cos A equal to what? We have that B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. This is the formula for cos A. Substitute there. Sigma B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. In denominator already sin A is there. You can keep like this only. See, after that, they are asking to prove in RHS delta is there, no? We have delta, number of formulas are there. Here, which formula is suitable? BC sin A is there. So now, the area of triangle half BC sin A, we have formula now. The area of triangle of BC sin A, of CA sin B, of AB sin C. Like this it will be there. So according to this step, BC sin A is there. So what we have to do? Sigma cross multiply 2 delta equal to BC sin A. So now in place of BC sin A, you have to replace with 2 delta. So now B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2 into 2 delta. So sigma B square plus C square minus A square by 4 delta. 1 by 4 delta is constant, you can take outside. After that, you can expand this sigma. First B square plus C square minus A square plus cyclic process. Here BCA, no, next CAB. So C square plus A square minus B square plus next ABC, A square plus B square minus C square. This is called cyclic order. Minus C square plus C square get cancelled. Minus A square plus A square get cancelled. Plus B square minus B square get cancelled. Remaining A square plus B square plus C square by 4 delta. That is which is required RHS only, no. Therefore, which is equal to A square plus B square plus C square divided by 4 delta, which is required RHS. Hence the result. Next question. In triangle ABC, if A cos A equal to B cos B, prove that the triangle is either isosceles or right angled. First you have to take the given condition. Given that A cos A equal to B cos B. By using sine rule, in place of small a and small b, you have to write 2r sin A and 2r sin B. In place of the small a, 2r sin A into cos A equal to, in place of b, small b, 2r sin B into cos B. After that, both sides capital R get cancelled. 2 sin A cos A, it is sin 2A, which is equal to 2 sin B cos B, which is equal to sin 2B. From here, two possibilities we can find. Why two possibilities? They are asking to prove the triangle is either isosceles or right angle. That means isosceles means any two angles are equal. Or they are asking to prove it is right angle also. That means one of the angle is right angle. See how it is. Consider the case 1. In case 1, if we take sin 2A equal to sin 2B. So by comparing the angles, 2A equal to 2B. Therefore, A is equal to B. On both sides, 2 get cancelled. A is equal to B. Whenever A equal to B, angles are equal, their sides also equal. No? Why? Because angles are equal. So obviously, their sides also equal. That implies that small a equal to small b. Now, second case, or this case is possible, or second case what? You can take sin 2a equal to sin 2b. this sin 2b, we can write it as sin theta can be written as sin of 180 minus theta also, no? So sin of 180 minus 2b, we can write it. So again, by comparing the angles, you will get, so 2a equal to 180 minus 2b. So minus 2b we can take this side. 2a plus 2b is equal to 180. So 2 take common, a plus b, 2 into a plus b equal to 180. So a plus b equal to 180 by 2. That is equal to 90. 90 means right angled only, no? So a plus b is equal to 90. Whenever a plus b equal to 90, obviously angle C is equal to what? 90 degrees. Since a plus b plus c equal to 180, so whenever a plus b is 90, so c is equal to 180 minus 90, c 90, no? A plus b equal to 90 or c equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, we got it here. Two sides are equal from 1 and 2 cases. From 1 and 2, a equal to b or c equal to 90 degrees or a plus b equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, we conclude that. The triangle ABC, that means no need to write, the triangle is isosceles or right angled. Hence the result, or else proved. This is the way you have to do that. Here I have given my channel name, Maths with Panindra. Those who are interested, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you, dear students. This is the second part of examples before exercise 10a. We will make another video, part 3 examples in the next session. Thank you all.